everyone, my name is Christy and here is Dexter. Dexter is my 10-month-old Chihuahua mix puppy and he is so excited for his March 2021 Barkbox. So Dexter seriously loves his Barkbox. He's been getting it since October and now he thinks every box that we get is a Barkbox for him. And I usually have to go through these videos pretty quickly because, as you can see, Dexter gets so excited about it. But so, let's see, he goes right for a toy, but this is so cute. It looks like the theme is magic. So Barkbox is a monthly dog subscription box, and each month has such an adorable theme. And the Barkbox toys, which you get 2 toys in each box, are always so cute, very durable. Dexter seriously plays with every single toy that he's gotten in Barkbox. I'm like looking around the room because they're just scattered all over. He loves them and they have lasted the whole time since he's gotten them. But so what we have here is a really cute, looks like a squeaky, crinkly playing cards set. And then the other toy, oh so cute, is a magic hat with a bunny in it. And so yes, the 2 toys that Dexter pulled out right away. And then there's 2 bags of treats. So this one here is chicken crunchies. It says 95% chicken. And then the other bag is Mega Moo Jerky Bites beef lung recipe. And so Dexter has always liked every treat that he's gotten and tried from Barkbox. And he usually goes through 1 bag a month. So we have a nice stash of treats now. Let's see, I'm gonna let him do a little taste test on one. Hey honey, you wanna try it? Sit. So these ones are kind of big. Maybe I'll just give him a piece. This is the beef lung Mega Moo Jerky Bites. I think he likes it. But there's supposed to be a chew and it didn't come in the box. So, like, I don't think he pulled it out of the box. That's so weird. I'm gonna have to reach out to Barkbox about the missing chew in here because usually there's like, you know, just like a chew stick treat. So that's a bummer. I'm always really happy with Barkbox and they do have good customer service, but I'm very disappointed that they left out the chew because we paid $25 for this box and you should get the chew. But so other than that, I think Dexter, I'm gonna have to take the tags off of this, but Dexter is loving this box. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in my next video.